common mistakes in English. 1. Subject-verb agreement. She go to school every day. She goes to school every day. The verb must agree with the subject in number, singular, plural. Remember, add s to the verb when the subject is singular, he, she, it. 2. Wrong tenses. Yesterday, I go to the market. Yesterday, I went to the market. Learners often mix past, present, and future tenses. Always match the verb tense with the time expression yesterday, past tense. 3. Confusing me and I. Me and John are friends. John and I are friends. Use I for subjects, me for objects. 4. Double negatives. I don't know nothing about it. I don't know anything about it. Only one negative word should be used. 5. Much versus many. There are much books on the table. There are many books on the table. Use many with countable nouns and much with uncountable noun.